So welcome back. My name's Glenn, and in this section of the playlist, I'm looking at helping you to improve some vocabulary. So I'll put my glasses on. If you're new to this, then there are other playlists. If you're just starting off in Welsh, there are some playlists about idioms. I'm developing them and writing some more, kind of doing it as I'm going along, really. So hopefully you can see me at the bottom and you can hear me and you can see the screen. So in this section, I thought we'd start helping people develop their bank of words that they can use. And for this purpose, we'll use rydw, which is I am. But in everyday, as I mentioned previously in conversation, we'd cut that rydw to dwi'n, so the dwi there and the un, because it's easier and more conversational. So rydw becomes dwi'n. So we'll use these to kind of build on some vocabulary. So I'm basically going to list some vocabulary and develop and practice them, and hopefully then help you create sentences. So let's just literally think about some words. So let's start with cysgu. Cysgu does sound like dysgu, which is to learn, which I will add actually. Cysgu means to sleep, and we'll do dysgu because it's very similar, and that's to learn. Bwyta, which is to eat. Don't worry, none of these will go off the screen. They'll remain there the whole time, so you can scroll back and then I'll go through them all again with you. Bwyta is to eat. Coginio, which is to cook. Gyrru, which is to send or to drive. Nos, which would have a little tobach, a little roof on it, but I don't know how to do that on the screen, which is night. Bore, there's the microphone. They're very technical. Bore, which is morning. Any more I can think of. Araf, which is slow. And cyflym, which is fast. So let's just go through them and practice these words. So hopefully that you'll be able to help develop your vocabulary. So to sleep. Cysgu. Dwi'n cysgu. I'm sleeping. Dwi'n dysgu. Dwi'n dysgu. I'm learning. Dwi'n bwyta. Eating. Dwi'n bwyta. Dwi'n coginio. I'm cooking. Dwi'n gyrru. I'm driving. Don't drive like that. Nos, not doing nos, that wouldn't work. Obviously, that would mean I'm night. That doesn't work. Nos, bore, morning. Araf, slowly. Cyflym, fast. So dwi'n, you could say dwi'n cysgu, I'm sleeping. Which is in the. In the. So dwi'n cysgu yn y nos. Where is it? Sleep in the night. Dwi'n cysgu yn y nos. So let's put some of these together. We can try and say I eat in the morning. From that list, it is all there. Dwi'n bwyta yn y bore. Dwi'n bwyta yn y bore. Perhaps a bit like me, a bit slow in the mornings, so I might want to say, oh, I eat really slowly in the mornings. Dwi bwyta yn araf yn bore. I eat slowly in the mornings. Dwi'n bwyta'n, there's an extra apostrophe N because you're doing something. Dwi'n bwyta'n araf, slowly, yn bore. So those are some vocabulary there. Let's use that vocabulary then to say you're going to do something. An easy, quick win way of saying that, the formal way would be rydw I yn mynd I. I am going to. Rydw I yn mynd I. I am going to. I am going to. Rydw I yn mynd I. It's a mouthful in conversation every day. People don't do it. It's not needed as long as you know that it's there. I would say a simplest way to do that would be to say dwi, as in we've used this dwi quite often. Dwi, and then the word am, as in I'm going to. So instead of saying rydw I, that's my dog, sorry, rydw I yn mynd I gysgu, with a G because of mutation there. Rydw I yn mynd I gysgu, I am going to sleep. You could say, and perfectly acceptable and understandable, dwi am gysgu. Dwi am gysgu. There is a mutation of that to G. Not that. Dwi am gysgu. I'm going to cook. Rydw I yn mynd I coginio. Rydw I yn mynd I coginio. A simplified, easier way is dwi am. Dwi am. Dwi am coginio. Dwi am coginio yn bore. I'm going to cook in the morning. Dwi am. Very handy to use. It's a simplified way of saying rydw I yn mynd I. That you've done something would be formally rydw I wedi, have done. Rydw I wedi. Rydw I wedi coginio. I've cooked. But again, we could simplify that to dwi wedi. So that means you've already done something, you have done something, it's done. Dwi wedi coginio, I have cooked. Dwi wedi casgu, I have slept. Dwi wedi gyrru car, I have driven a car. So I hope that helps, and quickly run through them again. So rydw I am, rydw I yn, I am, can become dwi'n. It's simplified. Dwi'n dysgu. Dwi'n cysgu, to sleep. Dwi'n bwyta. Dwi'n coginio, cooking. Dwi'n gyrru, I'm driving. That's my chihuahua. I drive fast. I don't say that you should. Dwi'n gyrru'n, the word for fast. Gyflym. Dwi'n gyrru'n gyflym. I drive fast. I'm going to do something. Formally, rydw I yn mynd I. Or simplified conversational way, dwi am. Dwi am coginio. Yn y bore, in the morning. I have cooked in the night. Would be rydw I wedi coginio yn y nos. Simplified way, dwi wedi coginio yn y nos. Hope those vocabulary helps. We'll do some more vocabulary when I get time to record them. So please do like and subscribe and comment as well. It's really important to know that I'm doing stuff that's of any use to anybody at all. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.